has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound west of New Haven CTPORT Jefferson, New York. Long Island Sound east of New Haven CTPORT Jefferson, New York, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:31 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing severe winds in excess of 50 knots and quarter-sized hail 6 nautical miles north of Norwalk Islands, moving east at 25 knots. The thunderstorm will be near Bentfield Reef around 3:45 p.m., Bridgeport around 3:50 p.m., mouth of the Lusitanic River, Stratford Shoal around 4 p.m., New Haven Harbor around 4:20 p.m., the Thimbles around 4:30 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible, and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service office. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, and Long Island Sound east of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:34 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Wilton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Westport, Stratford, Fairfield, and Bridgeport. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. When thunder roars, move indoors. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Saturday evening for southern Connecticut and northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut. Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in Connecticut: southern Fairfield, southern New Haven, northern Fairfield and northern New Haven,